Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Hi, Ryan.
Hey everyone.
We are going to dive right into our topic today, which is purchasing a multi-unit property consisting of 4 units or less. So I'm going to let you go right into it today, Ryan.
Yeah, with property values and interest rates up right now, it can be difficult for first-time home buyers to break into the market. But there's a great option that some of our buyers have been taking advantage of, and we're getting a lot of questions about it. And that option is multi-unit properties. So as we've discussed, on FHA loans, you need just 3.5% down. But you don't just have to buy a single family residence. You could buy a duplex, which is 2 units, triplex, 3, and a fourplex with just 3.5% down. And the best part of this is to qualify for FHA, you only have to move into one of those units. So you could rent out the other units, and we could actually have you use a percentage of that as income. So this will allow you to actually qualify for a lot more because you're using that rent from the other maybe 2, maybe 3 units to actually purchase a higher property value and have a nice investment property that you live in and manage as well. So it's a win-win. It's a great opportunity for buyers to take advantage of.
That's great. Is the percentage different based on the number of units?
It's the same interest rate too.
That's awesome. That's great. Well, you guys, if you have any questions, if this is something you're interested in looking into, definitely reach out to Ryan and I, and we're here to help you. So, Ryan, thank you so much. Really great Tip Tuesday, as always. See you next week, you guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.